Guys, what's up? So as you can see, I'm standing in front of a mansion right now, and the reason, on one of my videos that I uploaded previously, uh, I had a villa, whatever I call it, a villa. I had a villa, right, and so the thing was, it was like too many rooms, right? It was taking too long to customize everything, right? So what I did was I just got a mansion. Just it's still a big house. It's just not as big as a villa, bro. And that's the thing, bro. I don't care, man. As long as it's comfortable to live in, and I can have more than two people living in this house, then I'm good with it, right? I was good with it, right? And so, bruh. So yeah, if you guys support that decision, tell me in the comments below. And if you guys don't support that decision, which I bet a lot of you guys will, I'm still questioning myself about it. Then comment that down too. But I have a lot of furniture to put in here, man. So let's get started. I might speed up this. Like if I get around to editing this video, I might speed up the building part. Um. So yeah, man, let's just get on with the video. I'm doing too much talking, bro. I'm doing way too much talking. Okay. So, so I'm thinking where? I'm thinking, living room, kitchen. Yes. That's a pretty good idea. Okay. Now I gotta wait. Now I gotta wait. Okay. Now that the wait is done, okay. So this living room is, generic living room. Okay, generic, generic living room. Okay, that's the thing, bro. This house ain't gonna be nothing special, man. I have enough. I could make it special if I wanted to, but it's just a regular old house. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just trying to make this house look at least good, presentable. But I want it to just be not too much, man. I'm not trying to impress people right now, bruh. So over here, so what I was thinking, uh, is over here I can hold my pool tables. So let's see. It's like game stop being so slow with the loading, bro. That's what I hate, bro. Let me see. If I turn my graphics quality down, it'll be better. Akima, why you so rima? Alright, bro. We got it. Okay, and then next to that, it's gonna be a pool table. Hurry up and load, hurry up and load. See, it's a little faster now. Yeah, well, it's a little faster now. Why do I always make a beat out of something? Oh my God. Alright, so in here, as I said, is gonna be a kitchen slash dining room because it's gonna be like all in one whatever type of deal, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm not even gonna customize that. That's just freaking garage. Just park my car. That's not cool, bro. Let me customize this outside a little bit, man. So as you can see, bro. As you see, this is where I'm gonna be throwing my parties, bro. If I throw a party, it's gonna be a pool party, you know what I mean? Like it's not, it's just gonna be a pool party. That's it, bro. So, so, so if you wanna come to my parties, bro, it's gonna be a pool party, bro. No matter what house I have, unless I have a house that don't got a pool, it's gonna be a pool party, bro. And that's just it, bro. And it's literally gonna have a pool table, so it's literally gonna be a pool party. So yeah, it's just gonna be a hang out and chill party though, you know what I'm saying? We hang out and chill. Okay. We you know, role play a little, you know what I'm saying? That's the basic vibes of this party, the parties that I throw. Okay? glad we've come to a mutual understanding here. So, okay. What I'm gonna put outside here is well, I'm looking for something like a grill, obviously, I'm looking for a grill. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place a grill. I'm gonna place a grill down. But I'll come back at you guys when I'm done with the outside part. We got a nice little thing going on here. Uh, so obviously the pool is the whole time. We got two tables and a grill in the middle, and a TV. I don't know why I put that there. It was just a lonely wall. It looked like it needed something on it, so I put that there. And this here before I pause the video. That was, I'm not sure, but you see it. Let me show you guys an overview basically. So I'm just gonna pause it like that for a little bit so you guys can see I'm not moving around my camera too much. You guys are seeing. So now there's a speaker and the chairs. Ready for a pool party. And basically, we're ready for a pool party. Yes. All I need to do is use this, and I need to get a song. So right back. We got a song. We got a song going on. So, okay. Okay, let me just no, this is all a quick party. Hold on, let me close my front door right quick. You see shadows, is that a look that I gave? Oh, I did not remember that. No. Everything thoughts of a wedding ring. Let me move that because you can't really hear it once you get farther. Say, what up in your drastic light? Face. Why is nothing playing, bruh? I put a song there, bruh. Play. Done. Come on, use, play. Come on, what the heck? Hold on, I'm trying to play music for them. So, okay. Play. Trying to play music. Wait, hold on. Use, change, and boom, play. What the heck? Done. No. You will not get the best of me. That's for sure. Done. What the heck? Okay, hold on. Because that was annoying me, bro. I'm not gonna lie, Ryan. That's really annoying me. But let's just try to get a radio out here, bro. It was being weird, bro. Him literally wasn't playing, but. What do you want to trade me now? Here, I'll give you $4,000. There you go. Happy Jesus. Okay, here's my ring. And play. And use. Slay. Change. Slay. I got it to work, so that's cool. So I gave some dude $4,000 and he left my party. Give you teleport. I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh. All in my head. I have these lucid I do it over again. I didn't want it to end. Uh, I do it over again. I didn't want it to end. To my friends. Yo, I can still hear it from inside the house. The fake. Stairways. Yeah. Trying to be nice over here, right? Yo, I really hope that. Well, the party. Yay, okay. Not escalate to anything. Oh, okay. Okay. See, basically just see me, but I said no, and yeah, a whole bunch of stuff just happened. And he's still here. He's literally still here. The party's over, man. Get out. Come on. Nobody likes you. You have a nice house. Thanks. Yeah, I'm just talking to her. I'm not even like trying to like do anything. I'm just trying to be friends with her maybe. But that's it. But I'll end this video because that just kind of that just got. I'll see y'all later, bro. I just had to upload.